Song till they break it down. A nigga about money, man. Hustle grind for the city, nigga, ain't nothing changed. Lifestyle of me, I'm always making money. I'm doing what I gotta do, a nigga, not no dummy. Yeah, I speak the truth when I step in the booth. Niggas know who will hustle represent the West Coast too. Yeah, I'm all out. My niggas know we getting money, man. Our niggas know we hustle grind to get paid. Represent where we from. Y'all niggas don't be no punks. My niggas up in the game. How I do it for sure. I grab the mic and tear it up for the West. Here we go. Run up the flow. Y'all niggas don't know like niggas smoking endo. Puff from the cut like niggas dedicated to my kin folks. It's when me. When I'm all out, I'm making money. Hustle got to get my cheese, my fatty. Y'all niggas know what about me. Back in the days you used to smoke weed. I blunts in the sky, throw a west side. I wave it high in the sky. Yeah. I get it crackin' when I'm freestyling, I'm bustin', no discussion. All my niggas know that we are thuggin' hustlin'. Talking about getting our dollars up. G's up, hoes down, don't even fuck around. Welcome to the hometown. LA's how it's going down. My niggas wanna see me get it crackin' now. Real niggas know like we blowin' no trees and chronic sex used to hustle for the LACs. White niggas end up in ditches, pump bitches can't fuck around with me cause a nigga all about them bitches. They say I cuss so much, really nigga, I don't give a fuck. I'm from the city, all my niggas know we posted up. Yeah, this is dedicated to my niggas. Hustle got to get that real nigga, I'm down with it. I stay committed when I'm dropping game. That's how it goes in the heart of LA, man. Nothing changing, my game still getting dope. Getting vicious, nigga, fuck a hoe, that's where the story goes. I do what I gotta do, a nigga staying true. You don't like what I'm saying, bitch, nigga, fuck you. I'm in the cut, my nigga, and nothing change your mind. I'm staying in the front, I'm busting all the time, my niggas know it's my time to shine. Like I got 99 ways to whip up tracks, write dope raps. Y'all niggas wanna see me when y'all feel that? I come in the game like I say magic weapon. Niggas testing, hit a Cali with a second guessing. Microphone wrecking, microphone checking as you testing me. Well, hustle for the industry, I got a lot, you see. Yeah, yo white niggas end up in ditches. Trying to fuck around with me, you end up with stitches. That's how a nigga do it. Can't trust no pictures or dirty bitches, cause they ain't gon' get no cash flow. That's the way a nigga goes on the West Coast. Here we go again. Well, hustle got that there flow. But strictly for my gutter and my block and my LA niggas. All out, my nigga know we getting skrill, nigga. Ball until we fall, can't trust bitch ass niggas. I been in the game, my nigga, you know how I do it. Grab the mic, I stay true to it. I bust it, it's no discussion on my niggas, we hustling, yeah. Getting them dollars up, so what the fuck's up? So what the fuck is cracking while a nigga steady rapping? I'm steady doing what I gotta do. A nigga staying true is dedicated to my crew, nigga, what? It's like that up on the microphone. It's West Coast, it's still 3 minute song. Here we go again. Y'all niggas wanna flow again like y'all niggas in front said the ends. Niggas end up in ditches, pump bitches. Yeah, and it's like the nigga get in there. I represent the West Coast, LA City for sure, nigga.